Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rename or change a fillable text box name using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF and I will say this fillable text box name. Now click on this form option and select a select annotation and this text box name family name and right click this text box and select properties option and go general option. Here you will find this text box name, this family name. I will change it like 01 and select close and this text box name now sense. Also says this text box name, select properties option and similarly you can rename it and also you can type text and so on and select close and say this text box name now says. In this way you can change all of this text box name one by one, or you can change all of this text box name at once and give them similar name. Now select hand option and select file option. Save or save as your fillable PDF from. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.